Welcome to today's video. 30 years ago, the iconic TV show Tomorrow's World painted a fascinating picture of what life might look like in 2025. From flying cars to robot assistants, the show captured the imagination of millions. But how accurate were those predictions? Did they hit the mark or miss wildly? Today, we'll dive into 5 of their boldest predictions, compare them to our reality, and discuss what this says about our ability to forecast the future. Stick around for a bonus question at the end. What's your prediction for 2055? Like, subscribe, and let's explore. One of the most iconic visions of the future was flying cars zipping through the skies. According to Tomorrow's World, by 2025, we'd all have personal flying vehicles. While flying cars do exist, like the PAL v Liberty or the Jetson one, they're still in early stages and far from being mainstream. The challenges? High costs, air traffic regulations, and safety concerns. If you're curious about flying cars, check out companies like Joby Aviation. They're working to make this a reality. What do you think? Will we see flying cars become common in our lifetime? Share your thoughts in the comments. Robots were predicted to be an integral part of daily life by 2025, cleaning, cooking, and even providing companionship. While we have smart devices like Roomba and AI assistants like Alexa, fully autonomous humanoid robots remain a distant dream. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla's Optimus project are making strides, but we're not quite there yet. Start exploring how AI-powered devices can make your life easier today. Let me know in the comments, would you want a robot assistant, or does that sound too sci-fi for you? Tomorrow's World confidently predicted the end of paper by 2025, with all work and communication being entirely digital. While many industries have shifted toward digital workflows, the dream of a completely paperless world hasn't fully materialized. Paper still plays a significant role in legal, medical, and educational systems. Take small steps toward a paperless life by using apps like Notion or Evernote for organization. Have you gone paperless, or is it a mix for you? Drop a comment below. The show envisioned groundbreaking advances in medicine that would significantly extend life expectancy. We've seen incredible progress in medical technology, including gene editing and personalized medicine. However, while global life expectancy has risen, we haven't achieved the dramatic extensions predicted. Longevity research, like that at Calico Labs, is still ongoing. Stay informed about advancements in health tech. It might not extend your life yet, but it can improve its quality. What future medical breakthrough excites you most? Share below. Tomorrow's World predicted immersive virtual reality experiences for education, work, and entertainment. VR has made great strides, with products like the Meta Quest 3 and applications in gaming, training, and therapy. However, mass adoption is still limited by costs and usability. Try out affordable VR devices or apps to get a taste of what's possible. Are you using VR in your life? Let us know how in the comments. So, how did Tomorrow's World do? While they didn't get everything right, their predictions sparked inspiration and innovation. Predicting the future is always tricky, but it pushes us to think about what's possible. What's your prediction for the year 2055? Flying cities? AI governing the world? Share your wildest ideas in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love exploring the future of technology. Let's keep dreaming and imagining together. See you in the next one.